Welcome to ZooZone. Today, we will learn about one of the most powerful and mysterious wild animals on the planet, the tiger. With its agile body, sharp eyes, and perfect hunting instincts, the tiger is not only the king of the wilderness but also a symbol of strength and adventure. Let's explore the fascinating and crucial aspects of this magnificent animal. Classification and morphological characteristics. Scientific classification: tigers belong to the cat family, Felidae, and are scientifically known as Panthera tigris. They are one of the 5 species in the genus Panthera, along with lions, leopards, jaguars, and snow leopards. Currently, there are 6 subspecies of tigers: Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris, Indochinese tiger, Panthera tigris corbetti, Sumatran tiger, Panthera tigris sumatrae, Siberian or Amur tiger, Panthera tigris altaica, South China tiger, Panthera tigris amoyensis, Malayan tiger, Panthera tigris jacksoni. Morphological characteristics: tigers are the largest members of the cat family, with body lengths reaching up to 3.3 meters and weights up to 300 kilograms. They have a distinctive coat with black stripes on an orange or yellow background, which helps them camouflage in their natural habitat. Their eyes are adapted for excellent night vision, their ears are highly sensitive, and their sharp retractable claws and strong jaws with long canines are perfect for hunting and killing prey. Their long tails help them maintain balance while running and climbing. Habitat and distribution. Tigers once ranged widely across Asia, from the cold Siberian forests in the north to the tropical islands of Indonesia in the south. However, due to habitat destruction and hunting, their range has significantly decreased. Today, tigers are primarily found in the dense forests and grasslands of India and Bangladesh, Bengal tiger, Southeast Asia, including Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia, Indochinese tiger, the tropical forests of Sumatra, Sumatran tiger, the coniferous and mixed forests of the Russian Far East and Northeast China, Siberian tiger, some forest areas in Malaysia, Malayan tiger. Habitat: tigers adapt to a wide range of habitats, from wet tropical forests, broadleaf forests, grasslands to cold coniferous forests. They need large areas with abundant water sources and plenty of prey to thrive. Swamps and riverbanks are also common places where tigers hunt and quench their thirst. Personality and behavior. Personality: tigers are solitary and territorial animals. Each tiger requires a large territory to hunt and live. Male tigers' territories can span up to 100 square miles, while females have smaller territories. They mark their territories by scratching trees and marking with urine and feces. Hunting behavior: tigers are sophisticated and powerful predators. They use their agility, strength, and camouflage ability to silently approach their prey before launching a surprise attack. Tigers often hunt large animals like deer, wild boar, and buffalo. They can also eat fish, birds, and smaller animals when food is scarce. Reproduction and life cycle: female tigers usually give birth to 2 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of about 3.5 months. Cubs are born blind and completely dependent on their mother for the first few weeks. Tiger cubs begin following their mother on hunts around 6 months old and learn to hunt independently by the age of about 2 years. Tigers can live up to 15 to 20 years in the wild. Threats and challenges. Habitat loss: one of the biggest threats to tigers is habitat loss. Deforestation, agricultural expansion, and urban development have reduced the area of primary forests where tigers live and hunt. Habitat loss also decreases the availability of natural prey, making it harder for tigers to find food. Illegal hunting: tigers are still hunted illegally for their bones, skin, and other body parts, which are in demand on the black market. Tiger products are highly valued in traditional medicine and cultural practices in some countries. Illegal hunting has significantly reduced the number of tigers in the wild. Human-wildlife conflict: conflict between tigers and humans is also a serious issue. As their habitats shrink, tigers often venture into rural areas searching for food, leading to conflicts with local people. Attacks on livestock and even humans have increased hostility and led to retaliatory hunting of tigers to protect communities. Importance of tiger conservation. Biodiversity conservation: tigers are a keystone species in their ecosystems, playing a crucial role in maintaining natural balance. Protecting tigers also means protecting other animal and plant species in the same habitat, contributing to biodiversity conservation. Cultural and spiritual value: tigers are symbols of strength and power in many cultures and have inspired art, literature, and religion. Conserving tigers helps preserve these cultural and spiritual values. Ecotourism can provide economic benefits to local communities and generate financial resources to protect tigers and their habitats. Wildlife reserves and national parks with tigers attract tourists from around the world, raising awareness of the importance of tiger conservation efforts and solutions, strengthening monitoring and law enforcement. Conservation organizations and governments need to strengthen monitoring and law enforcement measures to prevent illegal hunting and trading of tiger products. Using modern technology like camera traps and GPS tracking devices can help monitor and protect tigers more effectively. Habitat restoration projects to restore forests and protect primary forest areas are crucial to ensuring habitats for tigers and other wildlife. Reforestation, reducing deforestation, and sustainably managing natural resources will help maintain the natural habitats for tigers. Community education and awareness, educating and raising community awareness about the importance of tiger conservation and their habitats is key. Educational programs in schools, media campaigns, and community activities can foster a greater understanding and commitment to conservation efforts. Success stories in tiger conservation. India's Project Tiger, launched in 1973, is one of the most successful conservation programs. It aimed to protect tiger populations and their habitats through creating and managing tiger reserves. The program has helped stabilize and even increase tiger numbers in some areas. Russia's Amur Tiger conservation. In Russia, conservation efforts have focused on protecting the Amur tiger. Anti-poaching patrols, habitat protection, and community engagement have contributed to the recovery of Amur tiger populations in the Russian Far East. Community-based conservation in Nepal. In Nepal, community-based conservation initiatives have played a significant role in protecting tigers. Local communities are involved in monitoring, anti-poaching activities, and sustainable tourism, leading to increased tiger populations and reduced human-wildlife conflict. How you can help: support conservation organizations. Supporting organizations dedicated to tiger conservation through donations or volunteering can make a significant impact. These organizations work on the ground to protect tigers and their habitats, promote sustainable practices. Promoting and adopting sustainable practices in daily life, such as reducing the use of products that contribute to deforestation, can help protect tiger habitats. Raising awareness about the plight of tigers through social media, educational programs, and community events can inspire others to join conservation efforts. Tigers are not only a symbol of strength and power but also an essential part of our planet's biodiversity. It is our responsibility to take action now to conserve this magnificent species and protect their natural habitats. Let's stand together and take action to make our world richer and more diverse. If you love interesting and informative videos about the animal world, come visit our YouTube channel ZooZone. Here, we bring you captivating stories, beautiful images, and rich knowledge about animals from all around the world. To support us, please don't forget to like the video to let us know you enjoyed the content, share the video so your friends and family can also experience the excitement, comment below the video to share your thoughts and help us improve our content. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any new videos. Thank you very much, and see you in the next videos.